Hello and welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. This short video will give you important information about working with Deel France. We will explain our collective agreement called Portage Salarial, how to report your activity and time off, the supplementary health insurance, and the medical check you must complete when you start. Deel France is a Société de Portage. This means you are officially an employee of Deel France and you work on a mission for a client. There are two main differences from a standard employment contract: the financial reserve and the business allowance. Each month, Deel keeps 5% of your gross salary to create a financial reserve. This money is returned to you at the end of your contract, without any changes. It is a safety net in case you do not start a new mission immediately. At the same time, Deel adds 5% extra each month as a business allowance. This is paid to you with your regular salary. As part of the Portage Salarial system, you must also declare your monthly activity. This means the hours or days you have worked. Each month you need to follow two steps to report your activity. Step 1. Go to the time off section in your Deel workspace. Here you must add all absences, for example holidays, RTT or sick leave. These requests will be sent to your client for approval. Step 2. Use the time tracking tool to confirm the time you have worked in hours or days. Your absences will appear automatically, so make sure to add them first. Also, please remember, if you are sick, you must get a medical certificate from day 1 and upload it within 48 hours. In France, it is mandatory to have supplementary health insurance. At Deel, we work with a provider called Alan. You will receive an invitation to join Alan during your first week of contract. You can also add your children and partner to the plan. Deel pays 50% of the monthly cost for your children, but partners are not covered by Deel. Alan is mandatory, but you can opt out directly on Alan's website if you are on a fixed-term contract or if you already have a mandatory supplementary health insurance. To see more details about Alan's coverage, visit the Employee FAQ in the Deel platform under Other Information. If you do not yet have a social security number, you are responsible for applying for one with your local social security. In France, every new employee must complete a medical check. Our partner OMAG will contact you during the first 3 months of your contract to schedule this appointment. If you already had a medical check with your previous employer in the last 5 years, you may not need to do it again. But in this case, you must upload a copy of your medical certificate in the compliance section of your Deel workspace. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helps you understand how things work at Deel France.